How to fix Discord error 2015. So if you want to fix your Discord error, then what you need to do is first you need to disable your VPN or proxy. Discord may block logins from VPN IPs. So you need to turn off your VPN like NordVPN or Proton VPN and many more. After that, you can restart your Discord and try logging in again, and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't work, then you need to clear your Discord cache. To do that, you need to press Windows and R keys together, and then you need to type in percentage app data percentage and hit the enter. After that, once you find the Discord folder, you need to just go and delete your Discord folder right here. After that, go back and click on app data and then go with local, and here also you will find your Discord folder. You need to just simply go and delete your Discord folder. After that, you just need to simply go and restart your PC and reinstall your Discord, and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix, then you need to check for account restrictions. Too many login attempts can trigger error 2015, which is for that you need to wait for 15 to 30 minutes before retrying, and avoid repeated login attempts. If not, you can also try browser login. Go with your website like discord.com, go with your Discord web version. If it's working, the issue is app related. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.